Hello everyone, I'm Chuck Gordner from MoneyMan4438 and welcome to day one of this training series. I want you to know you don't need a big fancy office to make money. You just need persistence. I'm not sure how many days this series will be. So just follow our Facebook group MoneyMan4438 to see when the next training is put into our files section. Our goal is to get you signups, to get you results, to get hundreds of people looking at what it is you are doing for free. Once you are making money at promoting for free, then you can focus on using paid marketing to increase your online presence. By paying a company to basically put your content in front of people. The key word being content. Content that you are making. With this series, we're going to focus on the basics. What do you do when you don't know how to promote your business? Where do you start? The first thing you need to do is have something to promote. You can't make money if you have nothing to sell. So you need something to promote. The number one problem in promoting an online business is that people use the referral link to promote directly to the offer. 98% of people are doing this. If the offer has generic banners, they are just using them, and so is everyone else. You have to learn to make your own content to promote so that you stand out from the crowd. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a bridge page in this video that you can use to promote with right away. We are going to start at the beginning. The first thing you'll have to do is get a referral link. We'll use Rockwall Investments as an example. So in Rockwall Investments, if you go to the statistics page and scroll down, you're going to see that they have their referral link right here. Other offers come with a referral link. You will just need to log in to whatever company you're promoting and locate where they're at. Once you've located the referral link to your offer, then copy and paste it to a document file on your PC. This will have all your referral links in one place for all your future needs. I keep all my referral links in a document that I use PSPad, which is also a free download, to manage. You can see that I've got all of my referral links in one location. This makes it easy for me when I need to promote a product or promote a company. I can just go ahead and locate my file and copy and paste my referral link to where it needs to go. You will need a page builder to create your page. Now I use Entrepages.com because it's good and it's free. Free being the operative word. I'm going to take you to Entrepages.com and show you how to create your own bridge page. When you create an Entrepages.com account, you're going to end up with a page that looks something like this, but you'll have no bridge pages, capture pages, or sales pages here. You're going to first click on New Landing Page. Now the best way I found to create what I'm after is to start from scratch. But you have several pre-built blocks. These are all called blocks. So if you click on Start from Scratch, the first thing that comes up in black says Add Block. So we're going to click on this. What type of block do I want to add? I'm going to add an image block for my particular use because I'd like to have a logo at the top of my bridge page. You wait for these to populate. Now that they've populated, I'm going to look for the picture that most resembles just what it is I'm looking to do. And we still have a few more to go. So this one looks like the image I'm looking for. Now that I have the image page, I'm going to come up here to Image, and I'm going to click the little button in the left-hand corner, Change Image. Now I already have a pre-loaded image that I used for my logo, so I'm going to insert it. When this comes up, you see it's too small, but it also allows you in here to be able to change it. So if I click next until I get the size I'm looking for, and then just hover over the pencil, I can change the background color. Now I want blue to be the particular background color here. Next, you'll add a block. This block I want to be a video block. You can see that you have several video blocks to choose from. Whichever one you choose, rest assured you can change it as easy as clicking the next button, like we did for the logo above. So if I start and I click this button, and I don't like that, I can just go to the next one, or the next one, or the next one. You can see there are several different blocks to choose from. Now this is the block that I have for my bridge page. It allows you to put a video in, and it allows you to put text in. Again, I like to keep everything in the blue background, so we got to hover over the pencil and click the blue background. We can simply change this header text by selecting it and going to another page where we already have something pre-written, or we can click in here and we can type what it is we want to have. I'm building a bridge page. And we're going to save that. The next thing you need is body text. So you select body text and you say whatever you want. This is an example. And you can change that wording if you mess up with your typing. You don't have to be perfect. You get an opportunity to go back and fix everything. For promoting my online business. Next, you're going to click Save. And then for the video, you'll click Video. You can see here that there's an embed code. And you'll just simply select the video that you're wishing to promote. Let me get one loaded up here. Okay, so here we are. I would simply select one of the videos that I have already created and uploaded to YouTube in order to get the embed code. So let's see. Let's use the day one results in Rockwell Investments with Chuck Gordner. So we would get the video, stop it, click on share, do the embed code. Now you don't want to show suggested videos or the title. So you uncheck those and you copy this embed code and go back to Entre Pages, and then you would just place in the code, paste it. I like to have 600 by 400. And you'll save that and then click Done. As you can see from my bridge page that you'll need a call to action button. So the next thing you'll do is go to this block, and at the bottom it says Add Block. We want a button. We want a button that has call to action, just a single button. Now that we got the button, we can go to button, click on it. We can change the background colors, change the hover colors, and change the text. But most importantly, we need to have an URL to link to for your button. But we also want to change this to And now we can install our URL to go along with this button. So we're going to go back to that document file that we created. We're going to look for our Rockwall Investments link, copy it, go back here and paste it in. Now, very important, we want this to go to a new window. That way the potential referral will be able to be on the window where he registers and watch the video by toggling back and forth between tabs. We're going to click Save. Once again, we'd like this to be blue so that everything stays consistent. I'd like to add another block. And I'd like to add a social sharing block. Now that you have a social sharing block, once again you're going to want to change that color. And you're going to go to the social sharing link. That way you can put in your Facebook. You're going to select a new window for this because you don't want to have them pop up in your bridge page. You can do the same for Twitter and LinkedIn, and in this icon style you're able to select the style of the buttons you'd like to have. And as you can see, there are many different styles to choose from. One of the things you'll see is that this is powered by Pages, and we don't want that to be there. So we're going to go over here and we're going to actually grab on that and we're going to bring it down to the bottom. That's as simple as it gets to build a bridge page, and with consistent use of Pages, you will get better and better with it. Now I've built a bridge page with a twist. I've given it two buttons. The first button allows me to create a free account. This button literally takes me to this page. Or if they're not sure yet and they want to learn more, they can click here, which is going to take me to several different sales pages that I've created. This being sales page 1. Each one has different text, it has a different video, it still has a button that says not sure, learn more here, or a button that says start living, enjoy your financial freedom, click here. This button will once again take me to my bridge page for them to join. This button is going to take them to another sales page, and it allows them to go through several sales pages where they can learn a little bit more and a little bit more in case they've got doubts. Cointracking.info is a great site to have. And as you can see, you can create many pages. Capture page 1, capture page 2, 3, 4, sales page 1, sales page 2, 3, and 4. I have a complete instruction video on Pages that will be at the bottom of the day 1 training. If you want to know more about Pages, click on that video link to get all of that instruction. There's a contact section that allows you to connect with my Facebook group, where you're going to find successive trainings in this series. For my Facebook group, MoneyMan4438. There's a link to subscribe to my YouTube channel for training and updates. And be sure to click this video if you liked it. And with all this being said, we hope to see you on the Money Train.